Okay, so peep this. You can look across all the men's fashion channels on YouTube and you will find plenty of hair care tips, tricks, tutorials, products you need to buy for your hair, but they always leave out the short hair dude. And as a short haired man, I am appalled. I'm offended, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix that right now. Just because our hair is short does not mean we don't want it to smell good. We don't want the ladies to be able to touch it and be like, ooh, that feels nice. All those things we still deserve, okay? And you also still could be doing things that are damaging your hair, that are gonna lead you to baldness way sooner, or even period, when you don't even need to be going down that route. So in this video, I'm giving you 4 things that you need to avoid, mistakes that we could be making, because short hair follicles matter too. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If it's your first time here, my name is DevanOnDeck, and you were tuned into my series, Style on Deck, where we talk about men's fashion and grooming, but that's only half the content on this channel. I also teach you how to create better content yourself and how to brand yourself better in the digital space and on social media. So think of this channel more so of a 360 self-image and branding channel. I teach you how to do everything across the board, from how you actually look to how you actually tell your story online. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button. I love for you to join the family. If you've already subbed, press that bell icon. You get a notification every time I drop a video. First on this list is one thing I see a lot of my short hair brothers do, and that is washing their hair too often. Yes, that means using shampoo on your hair every single day is a no-no. Do not do that. Now, I'm not saying do not cleanse your hair. You can still use conditioner. I condition my hair every day. However, washing my hair happens maybe once a week before I go to the barber. Other than that, don't do it, because it will dry your hair out, you'll dry your scalp out, it'll just have you just looking super dandruffy, and you don't want that. If you want your hair to continue to have its natural luster, you want to feed it moisture, you want to give it that most of the time, and then maybe once or maybe twice, if you really want to go extreme, a week, throw some actual shampoo in there, but otherwise, condition it. Now, the second thing you could be doing wrong is putting too much or the wrong product in your hair. Now, the easy way to tell if it's too much product is to take one hand, wipe it across the top of your head, and compare your hands. If one hand is super duper glossy, the one you wiped in your head, compared to your other hand, you got too much product in there. You should not have a shiny glossy hand after that. And another way to tell is if you start to get acne on your forehead after. For me, when I used to use too much product back in my teenage days, like in high school, I used to have so much more acne, and I had to realize that I put too much stuff in my hair. So when I brushed it, I'm just brushing it forward, it's seeping into my pores and clogging them joints. And that's when you start getting acne. It starts producing more of that. So you definitely want to watch that. And when it comes to the wrong product, you want to just see how your hair is reacting to it, how your overall skin feels with it, and if it lasts you all day. That's really what it comes down to. And speaking of product, that leads me to number 3. A lot of us short hair dudes make the mistake of going to sleep with product in our hair. Unless you got some type of do-rag on, you should not be doing that, because you lay down on your pillow, your hair touches your pillow, or your beard touches your pillow, and that same stuff gets on your pillow, you move again and gets on your face, and now you're breaking out all over the place and you're wondering why. So the solution is a shower, duh. So take a shower, condition your hair, condition out your beard, or wash your beard out, wash your face, call it a day. But in case I'm feeling lazy, or for whatever reason I don't want to take a shower, at the very least, you want to get a hot washcloth, okay? A hot, wet washcloth, kind of wring it out, but you want a little bit of a drip to it, and just wipe out your hair, wipe out your beard. And with a separate towel, wash your face, clean it off as much as possible, and you should be good to go. But don't make it too much of a habit, because you still can break out from doing that. You want to make sure you protect your face at all costs, okay? The last one on this list, and possibly the biggest mistake us short hair guys make, is not getting haircuts often enough. If you are a longer hair dude, you can wait a whole month before you get a haircut, but as shorter hair guys, you can immediately see when your hair starts growing back because of the proximity. You know, like it's not enough stuff distracting you from what's going on. So for me, I do it every week. Back in the day, I used to do one a week, and then I would get like a shape up the next week because it's a little bit cheaper. And before that, when I was way younger, I used to get it every 2 weeks, but 2 weeks is too much. I feel like I was too sloppy by the time I got to half the month. I gotta do it every week. So if you can do it every week, make that happen. And that's really all I got on this list. If you are a proud short-haired man, give my guy, this guy, a thumbs up right now. Do that for me. If you haven't subbed to this channel, you need to make that happen. And I appreciate your time. I appreciate you looking and watching and supporting me all this time. Thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.